Hello viewers, today my discussion topic is the departure preparation. You already finished your loading discharging, so now you will depart from the port and now we will prepare the bridge for departure. When you get information of pilot embarkation timing from your agent, so you have to call the engine room for 1 hour notice to engine room. You have to prepare the pre-departure checklist, pilot card, preparation for C checklist, pilot test checklist, master pilot exchange checklists you have to prepare. Viewers, you have to ensure that your passage plan is ready on the paper chart and also passage plan is ready on the EGDIS. This you must ensure. Viewers, for the tanker, we should not operate the radar in the terminal, but after departure, pilot will speak you to operate and switch on the radar. And for other vessels, they may operate the radar and do the PM tests. Viewers, you compare your both GPS position and compare with the EGDIS and with the radar. Check your speed log speed and compare with the radar and EGDIS speed because sometimes due to sensor problem, it's showing wrong. Viewers, keep your AS and low power because don't keep it on high power. After departure, you can make it high power. This is for the safety of tanker and terminals, but other vessels may keep it high power. Viewers, you have to ensure that your BDR is operational properly. Viewers, for the echo sounder, you have to ensure that proper setting for the draft setting and range setting. You can write on the printed paper that departure port name, date, latitude, longitude, time with your signature, and you can start printing. You can check one more videos in my channel for echo sounder. You can check your all GMDSS equipment and you can switch on your MFHF with the low power, but for the other vessels is not required, can keep the high power. And you can do the self test of MFHF and keep record in the GMDSS logbook. You can write on the GMDSS logbook that GMDSS watch is manned, MFHF tested, BHF in low power, AIS in low power, and all printed checked and all in good condition. Like this way you can write on the GMDSS logbook, guys. You can ask the engine room that you need the both steering gear power. After that you will test by one and also by both steering and motor that your steering gear is following the requirements or not. Guys, I have one more videos in my channel, you can check that how to test this steering gear one and also both with the full details. You have to check this NFU mode also, and you have to ensure with the engine room that on bridge your radar angle indicator and engine room radar angle indicator showing the same or not during tests. Viewers, you can check your BHF is properly working or not and channels are properly set or not, and you can run with the low power. Normally at terminals we keep low power, but for the other vessels you may keep it high power, and after departure from the terminal you can keep it high power also. Viewers, you have to switch on your BNWS and also you have to keep record in your BNWS logbook that switch on timing. Viewers, you can check your binoculars are ready to use or not. Viewers, if you departure at night time, you can test your navigation lights, all the lights, Lambaza test that all the lights are working or not. You can check your magnetic compass dimmer light is working or not. Also, you can compare with the magnetic compass heading and gyro compass heading. Viewers, you can call the engine room to supply the air for the forward and aft fog whistle, and you can test the whistle. Viewers, you can check your all GMDSS equipment and check your NAPTEX stations are properly set or not, and check all the printers papers are sufficient or not. Check for the echo sounder printer paper, check for this one, this telegraph logger printer paper is sufficient or not. Viewers, when the engineer will call you that the engine is ready, they will give standby. So after that you will get the notification and you will press the standby button. Viewers, at first the engine people will test the engine, and after that they will give you the bridge control, and after that you can test the engine just forward and after movement. Viewers, I have one more videos for the engine room testing full details. You can check that video, guys, and you have to know the procedure, means the right procedure for testing the main engine, guys. So viewers, when the engine people will give you the bridge control, you will get the notification of bridge control. So after that you can test your engine telegraph from stop to dead slow ahead, and dead slow ahead to stop, and stop to again dead slow astern, dead slow astern to again stop. Viewers, you can monitor your RPM also. And viewers, my suggestion is that you can check my another videos in my channel how to test the main engine in full details. That is for your better understanding, guys. Viewers, before testing the main engine, you have to ensure that aft is clear, means there is no any small boat or no any fishing net like that. And you can call your AV also to check closely at the poop deck is clear or not. Viewers, by the walkie-talkie, you can contact with your duty AV that he can watch the pilot is coming or not. Viewers, one more thing, you can ensure that pilot is from which side, sea side or from the shore side. You can confirm it by the agent, or you can contract with the pilot BHF channel also you can contact. Viewers, this is a good practice to keep some tea, coffee, juices in the bridge for the pilot. So when he will onboard, you can offer him. Viewers, you have to check these dimmer switches. You see, these all are the dimmer switch, and there is the indicator. You see that all indicator lighting should be proper. And viewers, at the forward mast, you have one steering light, so you can check that steering light is properly working or not. Viewers, you have to know that how to fill up the bell book. You have to know the proper procedure to fill up the bell book, guys. And you have to record all the movement, guys. And guys, I am saying you one more very important things. Here is the telegraph logger. Since your telegraph logger is working, then the engine movement is not required to write. But if your telegraph logger is not working, then you have to write all the movement of engines in the bell book. Viewers, when you test your steering gear, you can test both systems, system 1 and system 2 also, guys. Viewers, you can check your wind direction and wind speed. Viewers, you have to check your LDS lamp is working or not with the battery power and also with the ship's power. This side one and another side also has one more switch. If your vessel has the laser light, keep it standby. This is very good to attract the attention. Viewers, one very important thing is to synchronization your gyro repeater. You have the center repeater, you have the bridge wing repeater on both bridge wing, and you have one more repeater in the steering gear room, remember. So you can check all the gyro repeaters, and if required you can do the synchronization, and you can allow maximum 0.5 degree. This is the maximum difference with your master gyro. Viewers, you have to ensure that your bridge wing repeaters are uncovered and check the dimmer light, because pilot sometimes give order from the bridge wing by watching this gyro repeater. Viewers, you have to switch on your course recorder. You have to ensure that your course, quadrant and GMT is aligned. Remember, only port staying time you can switch off this course recorder, but other all the time you have to switch it on, means keep it on all times. Viewers, you have to write on the printed paper that the departure date and departure port name, latitude, longitude, and with your signature. This is the good practice, and for the record, guys, you should write. Viewers, you have to keep standby the hotel flag. As soon as pilot will onboard, you can hoist the hotel flag. Viewers, after preparation of bridge, you can inform to master and wait for the pilot. One responsible officer should be stay near the gangway to receive the pilot, and he can ensure the pilot boarding arrangement is perfect. So viewers, this is the minimum things I discussed, and like this way you can prepare your bridge for departure